私はジェイミちゃん。
We're at the homie Johnny's house. I'm buying his 34.
Josh さん、
どこ行く？
どこ行く？
あれ？ラーメン。
あそこ。
あそこ。ラーメン。
ラーメン。
I asked Rob, ペンするよ. He's like, はい。It only popped out.
Did you call me stupid?
Oh,
日
she
本語わ
knows.
かります。わかりますか？
Let me fix this. 日本語。わかりま
わ
した。
かりますか？はい。
はい、いただきます。
Dang.
私はジェイミちゃん。
ジェイミーちゃん。
いただきます、フランシス。
日本語上手。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。Wait, you colored your wrap black?
Hey, did you?
You did.
Can I grab a toy?
Okay.
I need my bunny, bro.
Toy night.
Josh, can you grab a toy also for Alex?
What does she want?
Just a turtle. If you see it on the floor,
truly?
just grab anything. That'll work.
That can't go on the vlog. I'm riding with you guys.
Okay, cool.
Unless
Come with the
Francis wants to ride the FRS.
なん
not
で
here.
BRZ.
I'm hiding it.
Oh, he parked it at his parents'
Yeah.
place.
Nice. You guys should see Francis's car.
It's very beat up, so
It's
that's why it's not here.
It's the best BRZ. Is it BRZ or FRS?
It's a VRZ.
Best BRZ
Yeah.
in the Bay Area.
スーパー
He doesn't have Instagram though, so you guys can't follow him.
You guys never mention any Subarus in your channel, so you guys don't.
Guys, where are you going? We're over here, right?
Huh? Yeah, over here. But
Where
I
are you
think
guys?
I'm waiting for the keys from Josh.
Da. Oh, that's Russian. I know like a couple words of like a lot of languages.
I do too.
Yeah, it's just like random words.
I got to 10 at the Hollow.
John, what's naze?
Naze is like nande or
Nande?
it's all why.
Doshite. Exactly, I was like doshite. Oh, but doshite is why not?
No, Doshite is just like why.
How can you edit
But usually.
Oh, I mean, I can make it into 86 since it's a Toyota. I'm not sure BRZ.
Okay, do not show this car.
That was gonna be famous. Yay!
Junior.
Just
How much COVID is on these tables?
I think this is yours, kimchi, John.
too close.
So yummy.
We're doing a ting. So everyone reached out to TJ Hunt. You guys harassed TJ enough, so he reached out and we're gonna do a little something. You know I'm always down. My car's still on jack stand, so I need to fix it fast.
Social distancing.
Happy.
Happy. Verbo.
Got a verbo.
whistle.
You guys have any tips on how to whistle? Leave a comment down below. I've been trying for hours.
Alright, bro. I'll see you guys at the pad. Yeah.
See you guys later.
Alright, bye,
Nice
Al.
meeting you, bro. Yeah. Bye, nice meeting you.
She's like,
Bye, Jordan.
When are you guys leaving?
Wait, I need to go to my makeup gig
Come on, girls. We're gonna
session
go back
in
in.
Dublin.
Nice.
Yep.
Guys. See
Bye,
you
ya.
laters.
Sorry, Momo, I'm gonna take it. And Papa's gonna push me. Alright, rock, paper, scissors for it. Hey, I called first, dude.
Don't step in
Rob,
it.
be a big brother.
Dang.
It's okay, Rob. Next time. I'll push you
Can I
next
just
time.
go on your back then?
Yeah. Leg.
I'm on top of the world.
I'm about to do a front flip. Hey, do edit to make me do a front flip.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Think someone hit the bottle trick and nailed it up there?
I bet you. Hey, can you edit Rob throwing a bottle up there?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So wholesome. So wholesome.
So darn wholesome. But Hayward
I'll see you at
sent me to like
Right.
the technically there.
and then I didn't have any friends there. Alright, y'all.
I was supposed to go to Hayward High after I moved to my grandma's house.
Boy, yours.
Alright, y'all drive safe.
Dude, your ride is sick. The mom van? Alright, man. Have a great day, bro. It's just that tree. That's the tree that we used to jump off of. We're at the homie Jonic's house. I'm buying his 34. Psych. Hey. Alright, I'll see you guys later. This is my friend.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Famous editor right here.
Yeah, we
What's
came
good?
to buy your 34. I heard it was for sale, huh?
It is for sale. $100,000.
I'll take it. Yeah, they're sleeping now.
For sure. There's a park over there if they want to chill or wake up.
Yeah, they should wake up soon. Let's pop the hood on this one, Jordan. You gotta see this 13.
You McGuire's.
You see McGuire.
What's under the hood? Ho ho ho.
Detail. These spiders put a lot of effort into this, dude.
You still got the ash from
The fire.
fire.
Oh! So why are we here?
Rob's getting a new car.
We're gonna turn this into
This is Rob's new drift chassis.
we're gonna turn this into a drift car.
The story behind this is Jonik doesn't need it anymore.
I don't need it anymore, so I'm just giving it away like Oprah. You get a car.
It's not working.
I'm helping.
Yeah. Oh, LS engine.
Ooh.
Sick. Tell them to come over here so I can talk to them.
Hey guys, stop
Dang.
leaving Rob out of the conversation.
Dang, that's crazy. That's crazy. That always makes me
I just saw this is Rob's cooking show, guys.
This is super rare. You'll never see me do this kind of stuff. Dakota left us. That's how you make sure you don't lose bolts. You just throw them somewhere randomly on the ground. And then you let everyone walk around and kick it, and then after you're just like, you know, you always want to spend at least 2 or 3 hours looking for bolts. Gotta make sure you make things extra difficult for yourself.
Pretty much trying to, like, if you're smart about it, you don't just probably
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
You can make it a business.
Yeah, make it a business.
Like, you haven't made much because you just keep buying.
Keep buying stuff, right? Have you ever thought about maybe, I don't know, whatever. Oh, I remember when you bought the trailer.
It's a great conversation, huh, Rob?
Great conversation, dude. I'm already over this, dude. I didn't even do anything yet. This is stupid. Where's Beto at?
Definitely not in the day.
Why didn't he come with us? This fool, he probably just snaps his fingers and everything just falls apart and goes back into place. Why doesn't this come out? Hi.
You a good friend, Rob?
Yeah. That's OG right there. She walks the neighborhood, make sure that, like, you know, if someone's slinging on her block, she gets her money where she gets it back. She gotta extort everyone for protection, dude. She looks innocent, but trust me, man, she's crazy. Dang, man. Who can I call to come do this for me?
Leah's offering to trade her 34 for this.
Check out the spider webs.
I'm down.
I know, I told you.
All around.
The spiders work really
I'm
hard
down.
on this.
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, Rob, you'll take the
You wanna-
34.
Will you put cash on top, though?
What?
Yeah, like
20
I
grand.
don't know, there's another 20 grand on top. Dude, this car is sick.
I'll
dude.
talk with my husband.
It's basically a spider farm. So if you like to try to sell spiders, it's basically an investment now.
You get thousands of spider eggs for free.
Yeah.
And they're trained
Perfect.
to like decorate for
I
Halloween.
have a huge
Halloween's coming right up. The spiders can decorate your house.
I have a huge fear of spiders, so that's like perfect.
Yeah, that'll be sick. It'll help you overcome your fear, and that's priceless. Priceless type of stuff.
He's a good salesman.
That's why he's a real estate dude.
All right, so we got ourselves some deals. Everyone follow me if you want to see the 34. And I got the wheels off of Josh. Remember when I bet him?
Yeah, you won the blitz, so.
Yeah, I bet you I can make this in the garbage can.
Bet you can't.
Alright. Put skyline!
Oh!
Oh my gosh, I got the skyline!
Oh, wait, what? Okay.
You're gonna make everyone confused.
No one's gonna know what car what wheel it is.
No, but Jordan, honestly though, I like really. Dude, stop the camera. I can't talk with you when you're.
She really wants.
No, honestly though, I do have, like, I love
has a fetish
VIP
for
cars.
VIP
I
cars.
have a fetish for VIP cars.
Get one. Dude, that Giovanni's selling his Aristo.
I know.
2JZ.
Dude, what's with all these spider farms?
What this neighborhood
Look at that.
Oh, you know why? Because of the wind. I bet you all these little stuff that's flying is spiders.
Spiders?
Yeah.
One down, kinda, 7 more to go. At this rate, I'll be done tomorrow night.
So
So-
this is the one that you're gonna put in, right?
Yeah, this is the one I just took out. As you can see, it's too shiny. You don't want that. You want
You want it to be a little bit.
a little burnt.
Yeah.
Get it real nice and burnt. Car's gonna run good forever.
her that we need to buy this car. We need this car.
Family car.
Money. I got the money, bro. What are we doing? I just bought a car. Dang, dude.
Freaking Josh.
You do realize I have 10 cars now. Guys, everything is for sale.
Buy all his cars, please.
Everything is for sale. Dang, it feels really good.